In this lesson, we will learn about linear equations and how to solve them. A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. Let's start with the basics of linear equations. The general form of a linear equation is ax plus y equals c, where a, b, and c are constants. For example, the equation 2x plus 3y equals 5 is a linear equation. Now let's learn how to solve linear equations. The goal is to get the variable by itself on one side of the equation. For example, to solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 5, we first subtract 3 from both sides. This gives us 2x equals 2. Finally, we divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 1. Linear equations can also be represented graphically. The equation y equals negative x plus 1 can be graphed on a coordinate plane. The graph of any linear equation is a straight line. Linear equations have many real-world applications. They are used to model real-world phenomena, such as the motion of objects, the growth of populations, and the behavior of electrical circuits. In conclusion, linear equations are a fundamental concept in mathematics and have many practical applications. They are used to model a wide range of real-world phenomena and are a crucial tool in many fields of study,